today's video, I'm sharing a gorgeous fall makeup look, what I'm wearing on Thanksgiving Day, and I've also set 2 Thanksgiving tables. So I hope that you will join me today on The Daily Connoisseur. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to The Daily Connoisseur. Okay, we're going to start off with this gorgeous fall makeup look. This is a slightly elevated look, perfect for Thanksgiving Day. And this video is kindly brought to us by Merit. I absolutely love them. I'm going to show you how I achieved this makeup look. Merit are having their only sale of the year, and I have a discount code that helps you shop everything early, so make sure you check that out down below. It also makes a perfect gift, so if you're looking to gift people with gorgeous makeup, this is great too. Okay, so let me show you how I achieved this makeup look. Okay, I'm going to start off with the uniform. My shade is 20. Now they have the Solo Shadow Sheen. This is a new product for them, and it's like a non-glittery sheen eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this color I thought it said Santorini. I'm gonna use this color Sartorial with the brush here, and it's a cream to powder shadow. So this is gonna be really pretty for Thanksgiving because it's like a nice autumnal bronzy color. Look at that, that's so pretty. Over apply it a bit and then I will blend it in. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to blend it now. Now I'm going to go in with the mascara. Okay, now for the cheeks, I'm using their Day Glow. This is the shade Bounce. I'll do it on the tip of my nose and then the tops of my cheekbones, and this will give me a nice glow. And then one of my all-time favorite products of theirs is the Flush Balm. This is in the shade Terracotta. I've used this so much, it's almost gone. But I love this shade for fall specifically. So I just get the brush. You can apply it directly, but I like using their brush. And I go up here. And you can see this side versus that side. It just adds a nice color to the face. Then I'll also put some on my nose. And now I'm going to go in for the lip. So I'm going to use the Merit lip liner and slightly overline my lips. Easy to correct. Then I'm going to use the shade Equestrian from their signature lip. And this is really pretty for fall, like a Thanksgiving look. Ooh, it's very dark and dramatic. I'm going to put their gloss on top of it. Let me go get it. Here's their gloss, and this is the shade Mapleton. Okay, so here is my festive Thanksgiving makeup look. I love it. It's a little dramatic with the lip and the smoky eye, and I think it's going to go really great with my outfit, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. Okay, so here is the offer. You can get 20% off your Merit order with my early access promo code, which is EA Jennifer, and you can shop my picks for the sale in the video description box down below. All orders get a free Merit card case. This contains blotting papers, which are nice to touch up your makeup, and then you can use it as a card case afterwards. There's also free shipping on orders over $40. So make sure you check out my links down below, and thank you to Merit for sponsoring. Okay, so now that I have my makeup done, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing for Thanksgiving Day and a new jacket that I picked up. Oh my gosh, let's go, because I'm so excited. Okay, so this is going to be my Thanksgiving outfit, and I love it. It's really comfortable because I'm deciding to pair it with flats. But this is a satin top and skirt. They're both from Merci, and it's this gorgeous espresso color. I love it. I think it's just so laid back luxe. That's the term that comes to mind. I always used to use that term. So I'm going to wear this because I feel like the colors are so autumnal, and it's just perfect for Thanksgiving. And I'm pairing it with my Gingy Berry Baroque pearls. Love this pearl strand, and it kind of elevates the feel of the outfit a little bit. I'm going to wear my Thursday boot Eden loafer because I'm not trying to be in heels on Thanksgiving. I want to be comfortable, and I think that these look so great with this outfit. I think it's like different shades of brown and they're gorgeous. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. And I just wanted to quickly say that I always mention the brands that I'm wearing because people always ask, but you can recreate this look if you like it with either things that you already have, or you can go find a monochromatic silk or satin set, like a blouse like this and a skirt or trousers paired with some pearls. Absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to show you my nails really quickly too. One second. Have a look here. So it kind of looks like a cherry cola color, right? So this is London Town's Perfecting Nail Veil. It's very similar to the Illuminating Nail Concealer in that you only need to put this on. You don't need a top coat or a base coat, and it has like a lot of healthy ingredients for your nails. But I just love it. This is like fail-proof manicure. Because it's just like, there's not that many steps. You could do one coat, you could do two, this is 2 coats, and I just love it. So I think this is really pretty for easy, low maintenance Thanksgiving nails. This is like the whole theme is low maintenance, but still looking good, you know? Okay, so that's what I'm going to wear on Thanksgiving. And then I have to show you this coat. I was so excited when I saw this on Marine Layer because I've been looking for a coat like this for a long time. And it is this gorgeous leopard print jacket. It's short. Look at this red lining. I love this. So as soon as I saw this in the catalog, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm gonna update my outerwear because, okay, I could wear it with this. I feel like I'm a Park Avenue princess or something. In this outfit. I could definitely wear this on Thanksgiving, but I also just plan to wear this with jeans and a white t-shirt over any kind of dress. I feel like leopard is a neutral, so I can wear this with so many different things. This is going to be in my wardrobe for a long time. I'm so excited. It's like one of those finds where I've been looking for something like this and I found it. So it is definitely like a fashionista coat, do you know what I mean? But still kind of like a neutral, and I love that red interior. So I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this on Thanksgiving. Do you know what this is actually styled with in the Merci catalog? I will show you. It's actually styled with this really beautiful sweater that they have with the tie back here, the satin tie. So I'll put B-roll of me with this, and I don't know, I think that if Thanksgiving is a chilly day, I would just love this combination. I love it. So anyway, this is a great special occasion look. You know, I'm boosting my special occasion extras now this year, and it feels good to have dressy options because I'm starting to dress up a lot more. I forgot to put on my watch, but I would definitely wear one of my nice watches with this look too. Okay, so now let me show you the 2 Thanksgiving tablescapes that I have created, and I want your opinion on them. I'm going to show you one classic and traditional table and one colorful and eclectic table. So let's start off in the dining room. I had so much fun putting this tablescape together. This Thanksgiving table is all about color and pattern and does not shy away from mixing the two. The table linens are by April Cornell. I found them at Home Goods. I love them. This is a floral, but it's a very autumnal floral to me. I'm using the Indian tree china that my sister and brother-in-law found for me at an estate sale. My mother-in-law also has this pattern. I love it because the colors are evergreen, but can be styled to suit the fall for sure. The pattern features a crooked leafy tree branch with flowers. This pattern, by the way, was first introduced by the English Coalport China Factory in 1801, and then it became a widespread design copied by many other factories, including Spode. I've gone ahead and mixed and matched the elements, like the drinking glasses, which are by Port Marion, and then we have a standard wine glass as well. I'm using napkin rings for the napkins, and we didn't have enough for a full place setting, so every other place setting is silver interchanged with gold, and that's how you just make it work. At At the time of filming this for you, I did not have time to go to Trader Joe's where I usually get my flowers, so I created this bouquet from flowers from our garden, and I think it's lovely. To me, homegrown bouquets are usually the most creative and charming. The candlesticks are by Tiffany. They were a wedding gift for Ben and I love them. And yes, I think the overall feel of this table is very rapturous. There's a lot of color and pattern going on here. The wallpaper, the table linens, and the dishes all together, but I think it all goes beautifully together to create a pretty Thanksgiving table. Now let's have a look at the more classic style. I set the kitchen table this time in a more intimate setting, and we are going for a more classic and traditional Thanksgiving look. The tablecloth is by Ellie Sahari, another find from Home Goods. I'm using the classic Spode woodland dishes here. These are quintessential fall dishes and they're so perfect for Thanksgiving. I've brought in the same bouquet and candlesticks from the other table, but you could also do a bowl of persimmons or pomegranates here as well. If I had time to make a topiary, that would be beautiful too. I've chosen an easy pocket napkin fold for the napkins, and I placed a sprig of lavender here to bring in a touch of nature. Let me actually show you how to create this right now. It's so easy. So you take your napkin and you fold it in half, and then half again. And then you take the far corner and fold that down to make a triangle. Then you're going to reverse it, tucking the folds underneath. And this creates a nice pocket. You can put silverware in here for a more informal table setting, or a sprig of something fresh like lavender or rosemary. So the colors and patterns are definitely more traditional and subdued here. I would love to know which tablescape is your favorite. Also, let me know what your Thanksgiving table will look like this year in the comments down below. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that it got you in the mood for Thanksgiving. I would like to thank Merit for sponsoring today's video. You can get 20% off your Merit order with my early access promo code EAJennifer and shop my picks for the sale in the video description below. All orders get a free Merit card case. Thank you so much for joining me today, everyone, and thank you for your support of my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home. I'm blown away with your support. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.